Hello friends, I know you quite well, and here 10,000 plus professional logo mega pack in CDR, APS and SVG file, but these are protected. First you need subscription. For access of my all file, go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, and here 10,000 plus professional logo CDR, APS and SVG file. Here AI, that's mean for Corel Draw and Adobe Illustrator, same files in three different format. Okay, here a preview. You can customize in Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw. Amazing. Okay, wow. Some files in PNG. Here American sport, basketball. Okay, baseball, football, tennis, volleyball. Okay, and here icon logo. Okay, next. Oh, in PNG and JPG. You can customize in CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator. Next. Okay, and here wow. Good. Okay, all files are editable. You can customize in CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.